Welcome to DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. A big shout out to all IT champions. You are the magic makers turning challenges into solution. Today we're explaining one of the most powerful DAX function called MAXX X. Unlock the potential of your data analysis in Power BI with the MAXX X DAX function. This versatile tool helps you identify the highest value based on a custom calculation in your dataset. In this video, we'll dive into how MAXX work, make it easy to work to uncover meaningful insight effortlessly. Step-by-step mastering DAX function leads to powerful results. Let's take a bit forward daily. Join me in this exciting journey with DivkLearner. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a step in your Power BI journey. Here's at DivkLearner, we empower you to take a bit forward daily with practical tips and powerful techniques. Ready? Let's get started. So the first thing, as I was mentioning, we are going to talk about is the aggregate function called MAXX. So what MAXX does, it gives you the highest value after evaluating an expression on each row. The syntax of the max function is MAXX. You write down the table name, you write down the expression, and you write down the variant, if any. That square bracket means if it is optional. The max function takes as its first argument a table or the expression that returns a table. The second argument contains the expression that is evaluated for each row of the table. So very quickly, let's just jump into the demo part of it. So here we have the demo, and here is the bookmark control that we are using. I'll just click on the MAXX. If you see, all my examples that I'm working on is in the free version of the Power BI, which is the Power BI desktop. So I really appreciate people who help us or put in the efforts for writing down the things in various blogs. So I keep on getting the information from the blogs, and that's where I don't know the real name of the person, but that person's name is Barry 2K. I really appreciate him. I took that example from him, which he has left on this community link, Fabric community link. Very quickly, so we are talking about the MAXX function, which returns the highest value weight from evaluating an expression for each row of the table. So these are all the data that we are talking about. This is a cart control, which is showing us the max quantity sold. And if I click on this, this is a measure that I've created. And in this measure, you can see I'm using the max X function. And then I'm filtering the value where the item quantity sold is greater than 1. And I'm finding out the maximum value. That appears to be 99. And that's coming from this data, which we had earlier. So the quantity sold, the maximum is indeed the 99 value for Kiwi. Going back, if we want to do it for the alphabetical thing or alphabetical data, we can use it. So here also I'm filtering, and this is where I took help from Perry, because this is not working here as in after the product. So thanks, Perry, if you're able to hear me or you're watching this video. So this is where I'm saying that it should not consider strawberry and pomegranate as two items from the product list and then give me the highest. So if I go there in the data and if I sort it on the basis of the product, so in the descending order, the topmost is strawberry, then we have pomegranate, and then we have kiwi. So that is where we are getting the kiwi part there. So that's all that I wanted to show you. That's what I wanted to show you in this particular demo. Thanks for watching DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. If this video helped you understand these DAX function, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more Power BI insight. Try these functions in your data model. Let us know your experience in the comments below. See you in the next one.